Hello, welcome back to the channel. What I've got for you today is the Sparrows Thunderbirds pick set. This pick set here was gifted to me from Keyprint for the work that I do for them. It's a Christmas present, very nice of them. Opened up Christmas Day, and yeah, thank you very much, Keyprint. I'm going to put a link to their website where you can purchase it down in the description if you want to buy it. Okay, so the unboxing of it is, yeah, this nice case, and when you open it, with this bit of protection there, you have the Sparrows sticker, okay, and you have the lovely picks. You have 6 standard, well, 3 double-ended tension tools and 3 single-sided tension tools. Okay, and then you get, is that 5? 1, 2, 5, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 pry bars. Okay, that's the 5 end, and there's this end here. Okay, then you have the picks. Don't they look lovely? They're highly polished. From what I understand, the handles are made out of cherry wood. As you can see, the finish is exceptional, highly polished. Very nice. I have used them already, and yeah, they are nice. Nicely made. Thin, give good feedback. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 rake styles. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks. It would have been nicer to see one of these being a deeper hook, just my own personal preference, because when you have some cylinders which have, like for instance the Yales, they tend to have a high and low right next to each other, so it would have been nice to have a deeper one just to hook under to get around that deep pin. But apart from that, they're fantastic. There's one other problem I had with them, but not with the picks. The picks are fantastic. What I have a problem with is that I need to use them out in the field, and I can't take this box for 2 reasons. One, it's quite big, but the main reason is I wouldn't want to damage the box because it looks fantastic, it looks amazing. But I do want to use these out in the field because I think it's a shame to have them and not use them. So what I did, on Amazon, and I purchased a leather pencil case. Okay, I thought it'd be fitting for the finish of these to the finish of this. I thought they'd go quite nicely together. So the way I've done this is you got 1, 2, 3, 4 little pouches, 8 picks, so there'll be 2 in each pouch. So if I stick 1, 2, make sure they're the same way around, 2, then 3, 4. Let me get the hooks. Okay, they do look really nice and look so shiny. You can't not like a shiny tool. Okay, oh, we will get this out. There we go. Now that means I can take this out in the field with me. I'll cover nice like this. If we move this out of the way, now we have attention tools. So we have 3 sizes: small, medium, large. So I just noticed 2 are twisted. Oh no, hang on. Maybe not, that's a double-ended one. So yeah, they're all twisted. So 3 twisted, small, medium, large. And I think we're going to have those going here, like so. Then we have the double-ended ones. Small, medium, large again. And then we have the pry bars. Okay, this one's square. This one's a bit different to all these. So this one I'm going to put in here. And these ones I'm going to put in here. Like so. Okay. So now I have my kit, which I can throw in my tool bag and not worry about the picks getting damaged or anything like that. I know what they are because they're in a different case, so that'd be perfect for me. So that means I can look after this box and put it away, because I say that does look pretty cool, doesn't it? Like that. Okay, let's get pick and lock. This one here, not branded. So that's how we go on with this. I'm going to do a bit of raking today, I think. So I'll go for the triple peak, and then we'll go for the double tension tool. Let's see how we go on with this. Is she going to go easy? Or is she going to be a pain? Sometimes a gentle wiggle. Zipping. It feels like it's turning slowly there. This whole thing's moving. It definitely feels like it wants to go in that position. Here we go. Done. Took a bit of time. Got there in the end. Right. You did it that one. Now, let's try another. So this is the ASEC 6-pin. Again, I'm going to try it raking. Does feel a lot smoother in this lock. Oh, so it should. Look at that. Wonder if I can get the cam. No, not engaging the cam. But yeah, let's pick round. Anyway, I hope you like this video. As I say, now I can take these to site with me for jobs, because it just seemed a shame not to show them off on jobs. I must admit, it does look pretty good. Anyway, it would be nice if I could have had the sparrows. If I could have had like that embossed on the case, that would have been pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.